Wedges of iceberg lettuce topped with creamy blue cheese dressing, roasted bacon, radish, red onion, and toasted pecans. Need a simple salad idea that never fails to impress? This classic wedge salad is it. This salad isn't just easy to make, it's also exceedingly delicious and it's mighty attractive too. It's really interesting when you serve it because guests always lick their plates clean. That's a true story. Here's what it's all about. Wedges of chilled iceberg lettuce, an amazing creamy blue cheese dressing, assorted, colorful, flavorful veggies and herbs, plus bacon and more cheese. I think we're in love, and I know you will be in love when you make and try this salad. It is really delicious. To make a classic wedge salad, it's really easy. Let's start with the lettuce. You'll need 1 head of iceberg for the recipe. It'll serve for guests. Discard any blemished outer leaves. We're gonna remove the heel, and then using a sharp knife, you're gonna cut the head into 4 wedges. Sure, you can cut each wedge in half for 8 smaller portions, but that never works up here in cottage country because we like our wedge salads big and chunky. Next, let's gently rinse each wedge under cool running water, then place them onto dry paper towel. Let them lose some of that excess water while you prepare the remaining ingredients. Now the dressing, a creamy blue cheese dressing, but let's say you or your friends are not fans of a beautiful blue. Just head to weekend@thecottage.com. I've listed a couple of alternate salad dressing ideas if you wish. But watch me make this dressing first and then decide. Here's how it's done. Into a medium-sized bowl, 3/4 cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1 shallot finely diced, the juice of 1/2 lemon, 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh herb. Today I'm using parsley. 1 cup of blue cheese. It can be grated or crumbled. Then stir everything together. Add 1 tablespoon of buttermilk to thin the dressing out a little bit. It's going to be a lot easier to dress the salad. Then taste, add kosher salt and black pepper. You can leave the dressing to the side. Next, as mentioned, there's bacon. Let's oven roast it. Oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, line a baking sheet with foil. Do maybe 1/2 pack of your favorite bacon, about 6 rashers evenly spaced on the baking sheet. Over to the oven. We're gonna cook until the fat renders and the bacon is firmed up and brown, but it's not crispy. We want the bacon a little tender. That glossy bacon fat is so good in this salad. Now some toppers, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes halved, radishes divided, thinly sliced, 1/4 of a red onion thinly sliced, 1/2 cup of pecans. I toasted them up and then roughly chopped them, about 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh herbs. I'm sticking with the parsley. Pretty easy, right? All you gotta do now is assemble. Taking a large presentation platter, love this green chalk plate, stand the wedges up on it, spoon 1 or 2 tablespoons of dressing over each wedge. Look how it cascades down the side, fantastic. Tuck tomatoes and radishes around the bottom of the wedges, then sprinkle with the red onion and chopped pecans. We're then gonna add a little bit more blue cheese, please, and then that gorgeous bacon. You can do a sprinkle of kosher salt. How about some freshly cracked black pepper? Hit each wedge with a little sprinkle of the chopped parsley. You can also serve extra dressing on the side. You might think to fill in the blank spots at the bottom of the plate, but don't worry about it. When people place the wedges over to plates to enjoy, they often scoop everything up to add more to their very own serving. This salad is ready to go to table for everyone to enjoy. You can serve it paired with a favorite main. You might want to add another side if you wish. It also makes a really beautiful light lunch. Needs nothing more than a warmed pita on the side. Amazing. You know what else is amazing? Full recipe is up at weekend@thecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then Seriously, when a salad is this beautiful and this delicious and, like I just showed you, easy to make, take a picture of it. Post it on your favorite socials using hashtag #WeekendAtTheCottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Here's hoping a classic wedge salad makes an appearance on your dining table in the not too distant future. Looking good, friends. Looking very good. Oh gosh. You gotta make, if you don't make this, I'm gonna be so mad. You gotta make it.